Hello everyone, welcome to the Sri Arts channel. Today we are going to learn about the Bharatanatyam, its basics and its origin. So what we do is today we will watch till the end of the video and subscribe to our channel. Bharatanatyam. We are learning about the basics about the Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a classical Indian dance form that is popular and nurtured in the Indian state. Bharatanatyam is a type of classical Indian dance which is based on very old traditions and it is nowadays performed all over the world. Bharatanatyam dance and its cultural significance. Dance has always been a unique form of art to express your gratification and conveying your emotions. Bharatanatyam, a classical dance form from India, is an excellent example of this art of storytelling through movement. This dance style is rich in tradition and symbolism, holds a very special place in the culture of India. It reflects the history, spirituality, and the social values. Bharatanatyam meaning. So, what does the Bharatanatyam means? So, let us learn about the meaning of the Bharatanatyam. Bha means emotion, means bhava. Ra meaning music, raga. Ta meaning rhythm, its meaning tal, and Natyam meaning dance. So Bharatanatyam is a dance that encompasses music, rhythm, expression, and strictly adheres to the Natya Shastra. The Natya Shastra is the scripture of classical Indian dance. The theoretical foundations of Bharatanatyam are found in Natya Shastra, the ancient Hindu text of performance arts. Natya Shastra is attributed to the ancient scholar Bharata Muni, and its first complete compilation is dated to between 200 BCE and 200 CE. However, its time frame varies between 500 BCE and 500 CE. The dance vocabulary, its expression through movement. Bharatanatyam is characterized by its distinct movements, hand gestures, which are also known as mudras, and facial expressions. Facial expressions plays a major role in the Bharatanatyam, and mudras has its own importance in the Bharatanatyam. These elements must work together to convey stories, emotions, and ideas. Each movement has a specific meaning, enabling dancers to narrate tales from epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, or depict the beauty of nature and emotions, love, light, anger, and joy. The three phases are the Nritya, and Natya. First one is Nritya. This element focuses on pure dance movements, emphasizing rhythm, speed, and coordination. It showcases the dancer's skill and mastery over intricate footwork and body movements. Next one comes to the Nritya. Here the dancers infuses emotion into the movements, creating a captivating blend of expression and rhythm. This element helps convey the deeper emotions and stories associated with the dance. Next element is Natya. The storytelling aspect comes alive through Natya, where the dancer acts as a narrative from mythology or literature. The combination of expressive gestures, movements, and emotions make the tale come alive on the stage. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe for more videos. This is a lesson 1 of Bharatanatyam. We are going to come with one more lesson very soon. Thank you for watching our channel. Keep subscribing for more.